In this video, I am going to share with you the most powerful manifestation meditation that helped me manifest my dream body, dream job, and everything else I wanted. So make sure to watch it until the end and use it as often as I do. And don't forget to subscribe because all my videos are made for your highest good. Before we start this guided meditation, take a few deep breaths, close your eyes, and set a clear intention or goal that you want to manifest. It can be anything from a new car, a dream vacation, finding your true love, getting a promotion at work, or healing your health. Write down exactly what you want, and when you feel ready, get rid of the paper so that nobody could read your intention. Then bring your awareness back to your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Imagine that you already have what you want. Feel the emotions that come up. This is very important. If you want something really badly, it's probably because you desire the feeling that comes with having that thing. What do you expect to feel when you finally get that new car, that dream vacation, your true love? What emotions are connected to the goal that you just set? These are the feelings you need to access right now. Only when you are able to tap into them will the universe know what to manifest for you. So if you're not feeling excited, happy, grateful, etc., right now, then you haven't tapped into the feeling of your wish being fulfilled yet. The clearer you can see your goal, the stronger the energy you emit, and the faster you will manifest your desires. Repeat this visualization meditation daily and you will enhance the power of the manifestation process. It will accelerate your results and bring everything you want into your life. Are you ready? Let's begin. You are now entering the quantum field where thoughts become things almost instantly. Here you are limitless. You can have whatever you want whenever you want. Anything is possible here because all there is energy, and you are that energy. There are no limits here. There are no boundaries. All there is an infinite amount of possibilities that you can explore and bring into your physical reality. Right now, we are going to send out a powerful frequency that will attract your greatest desires into your life. In the quantum field, time does not exist. We are beyond time and space. We are in the now. Your future is created every moment of every day through your thoughts. Thoughts are the building blocks of reality. They are the only thing that has any power over you. Let go of the past and stop worrying about the future. Focus on the present moment. That is where your power is. You can manifest anything you want if you know how to control your mind. You are the creator of your own destiny. You always have been and always will be. So open your eyes and start seeing yourself as the powerful creator that you are. Imagine that you are standing in front of your biggest dream, the one that you've been longing for more than anything else in the world. Perhaps it's a dream vacation that you've always wanted to take, a chance encounter with someone special, or the promotion at work that you've been working so hard for. Whatever your dream may be, take a moment to really soak it in. Feel the excitement and anticipation building inside of you. This is it. This is the moment that you've been waiting for. Now close your eyes again and picture yourself achieving your goal. You are successful, happy, and fulfilled. Take a deep breath and feel all of the positive emotions that come flooding over you. You are proud of yourself and all that you have accomplished. You feel grateful for the journey that led you to this moment. You are filled with joy and anticipation for what the future holds. As you continue to bask in the glow of your success, you hear a voice that says, "You deserve it," and it's true. You do deserve all of the happiness and success that is coming your way. You have worked hard to achieve your dreams and you have never given up on yourself. You have always believed in yourself even when others didn't. Believe in you, and now your dreams are coming true. Suddenly, the energy around you begins to shift and change. You can feel a new sense of power and confidence surging through your veins. The voice grows louder and stronger and it echoes in your mind. You are a powerful creator. You can have whatever you want whenever you want. This is your moment. This is your time. You are on the verge of something truly great. You can feel it in your bones. And then you open your eyes and you are filled with a renewed sense of purpose and determination. You know that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. You are a powerful creator and you have the ability to shape your own destiny. You are ready to take on the world and make your dreams a reality. Now, before we continue, I would like to remind you of something very important. You are not alone in this journey. You have the support of the entire universe. The universe wants you to succeed. It wants you to be happy and fulfilled. You just have to ask and it will be given. But sometimes we get in our own way. We doubt ourselves. We fear failure or rejection, but you must let go of these fears. They are holding you back from achieving your dreams. You must believe in yourself. You must have faith that everything will work out in the end. I want you to repeat after me. I am a powerful creator. I can have whatever I want whenever I want. Say it with conviction and belief. Feel the power of these words coursing through your veins. This is your mantra. This is your affirmation. Use it daily to remind yourself of your power and potential. Now let's go deeper. I want you to imagine that you are surrounded by a brilliant white light. This light is pure and radiant. It is the light of creation. It is the light of the universe. This light is full of healing energy. It washes over you and fills you with warmth and comfort. It penetrates your body and heals your wounds. It mends your broken heart and strengthens your weakened mind. It rejuvenates your spirit and makes you feel whole again. As you bathe in this glorious light, you feel a deep sense of peace and tranquility wash over you. Your mind is calm and still. Your body is relaxed and comfortable. Your heart is open and loving. You feel connected to everything and everyone around you. You feel grateful for the beauty and wonder of life. You feel blessed to be alive. This is your moment. This is your time. You are on the verge of something truly great. You can feel it in your bones. And then you open your eyes and you are filled with a renewed sense of purpose and determination. You know that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. You are a powerful creator and you have the ability to shape your own destiny. You are ready to take on the world and make your dreams a reality. It's time to take action. Don't just sit around and wait for your dreams to come to you. Go out and make them happen. You have the power to create your own future. All you need is a little bit of faith and a lot of love. Love yourself. Love the process. Love the journey. And above all, love the universe for all of its infinite abundance and generosity. You are a powerful creator. You can have whatever you want whenever you want. And I know that you will achieve your dreams. I believe in you. Now go out there and prove it to yourself. Manifestation is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your dreams and desires. It is based on the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. Positive thoughts attract positive experiences, while negative thoughts attract negative experiences. By focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, you can attract the things you want into your life. One way to practice manifestation is through visualization. By visualizing your desired outcome, you create a clear mental image that the universe can work with. When you visualize, you should engage all of your senses. See the details of your desired outcome. Hear the sounds, smell the smells, taste the tastes, and feel the feelings associated with it. The more vivid and emotionally charged your visualization, the more powerful it is. Another important aspect of manifestation is gratitude. Be grateful for what you have and trust that more is on its way. Gratitude opens the doors for even more blessings to flow into your life. It is important to note that manifestation takes time and practice. It is a skill that can be developed over time. Be patient with yourself and trust in the process. Remember, you are a co-creator of your reality. You have the power to manifest your dreams and desires. Believe in yourself, stay positive, and be grateful. And as you continue to practice manifestation, you will see amazing things happen in your life. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.